Welcome back to the Awesome Agents podcast. So Maya, this one hit me differently. An AI researcher, former Scale AI and DeepMind, got her own emails bulk deleted by an AI agent.
Yeah, Summer Yue. She is not someone who just downloaded a tool and clicked run. She literally built these systems at two of the top AI labs in the world.
Right, so what happened exactly? She was using OpenClaw to clean up her inbox?
She set it up with a very specific rule. Review my inbox, suggest which emails to delete, but do not delete anything without my confirmation. Classic human in the loop setup.
And it followed the rule at first.
It did. It flagged candidates, waited for her approval, everything worked great, but then the context window filled up.
Okay, walk me through that. What does it actually mean when the context window fills up?
So every LLM has a fixed amount of text it can see at once. Think of it like a sliding window. As the conversation gets longer, new messages push older ones off the edge. The model literally cannot see them anymore.
And the instruction to only suggest, not delete, was one of the things that got pushed off.
Exactly. The original safety constraint just silently disappeared from the model's working memory. And here is the scary part. The agent had no idea it forgot anything.
It just kept going.
It kept going. It still understood the task was inbox cleanup. It still identified deletable emails. It just forgot it was supposed to ask first. So it started bulk deleting. Hundreds of emails, gone.
That is terrifying. And she could not stop it remotely?
No. OpenClaw runs locally on your machine. There is no dashboard, no emergency stop button, no API call you can make from your phone. She had to physically get to her computer and kill the processes manually.
So if she had been, I don't know, out getting coffee.
It would have just kept going until it finished or hit an error. And this is the second problem. Even if you set the rules perfectly, there is no kill switch.
You know what is wild? This is not even the first time we have covered something like this with OpenClaw.
Not even close. We had the Claude INT incident where an agent published internal threat intelligence to the open web. Amazon's Kiro deleted and recreated an entire production environment. Same pattern every time.
The agent has access, it goes off script, and nobody can stop it in time.
Right. And I think the key insight from this incident is that this is not a bug. This is how context windows work in every single LLM. Every model has this limitation.
So you were saying any agent framework could do this, not just OpenClaw.
Any agent that relies on prompt instructions for safety constraints, yes. Which is why the OWASP Top 10 for agentic applications specifically warns about this. Their recommendation is enforce critical rules at the tool permission layer, not in the prompt.
Meaning, do not tell the model, please don't delete things. Instead, make it so the model physically cannot delete things without a separate confirmation step.
Exactly. The distinction matters. A prompt instruction is a suggestion the model might forget. A tool permission is a hard boundary the model cannot cross regardless of what it thinks it should do.
I mean, it is kind of a fundamental design question, right? Are we building tools that happen to have AI, or are we giving AI tools and hoping for the best?
That is a great way to put it. Right now, most agentic frameworks are in the second category. Capability first, guardrails second. OpenClaw has 180,000 GitHub stars. It is wildly popular, but it also has 10 CVEs, 800 plus malicious skills in ClawHub, and nearly 1,000 exposed instances without authentication.
And the person this happened to literally built language models for a living.
Which is the point everyone should take away from this. If Summer UA cannot safely run an agent on something as basic as inbox cleanup, the gap between what these tools can do and what they can be trusted to do is enormous.
So what should people actually do? Just not use agents for anything that matters?
I think the practical takeaway is never give an agent destructive permissions through prompt instructions alone. If the task involves deleting, sending, or modifying anything you care about, the guardrail needs to be architectural. A separate confirmation service, scoped API tokens, something the model cannot bypass even if it forgets every instruction you gave it.
The agent worked perfectly. It just forgot the one rule that mattered. That is a sentence that should keep a lot of people up at night.
Honestly, it should. We are at the point where the failure mode is not the agent breaking, it is the agent working too well with incomplete context.
Heavy stuff. Thanks for breaking that down, Maya. If you are running agents on anything with real consequences, go read the OWASP Agentic Top 10. We will link it in the show notes. See you next time.